Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, to another episode of what are we going to cut up open next. Just kidding, but I'm in the mood to cut something open. My day is not the best. Work is stressing me out. So since I've always wanted to cut open my beauty blender, or this one is not even a beauty blender, this one is my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Is that what it's called? Real Techniques beauty sponge? Well, you know what I mean, you get the idea. And I've watched a couple of videos where people are like, oh, this beauty sponge is so old and disgusting, let's see what's inside. And usually there's nothing inside. It's just a normal orange sponge inside. Like nothing is disgusting, nothing is ugly inside there. So I'm pretty sure the thing's pretty boring on the inside. It's disgusting from the outside. This thing is old. The thing is used. This thing is completely, can you see that? Broken from being washed too often. So literally a disgusting sponge that I use on my face. Nice. So today I want to cut it open and see if mine is perfectly clean on the inside, just like the rest as well, because I can't believe it. I'm pretty sure it is. It's probably going to be boring, but I can't believe this thing doesn't smell on the inside, or it doesn't look disgusting. I mean, I wash it regularly, but it still looks like this. So who knows what's inside? Probably nothing, but let's be open for a surprise. So, and this is the beauty blender of your worst nightmares. And let's see how we're going to cut it open. Either this way or this way. I think this way is better. So let's just do it. Uh-oh. Just what I expected. It's extremely disgusting on the outside, and you can already see it kind of went inside. But the actual inside of the sponge looks amazing. This looks like a real egg at the moment. So, yeah. Outside disgusting. Inside still perfectly clean. I'm still going to throw the thing away. You could probably use the inside, but I mean, come on, we all saw it from the outside. Are you really going to use this thing still? I'm not going to, so let's throw the thing away, but thank you all for watching. My beauty blender is just like the rest. What a surprise. It's clean on the inside. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.